Hello, I'm here at the Trey Mountain Shelter on the Appalachian Trail, and I thought what I would do, since I've been doing day hikes for over a year and a half now, is to do a little gear review. And I'm sure a lot of you have seen these reviews by folks that have hiked the AT or CDT or PCT and other trails, what they're carrying and stuff like that. And you get to see their gear and the knowledge base that they've built up, as well as their living room and their den, and in the case of gear reviewers, their backyard. So I thought I'd actually come out here and do something on the Appalachian Trail and do a real gear review where I'm actually using the gear. So let's take a look here. Obviously, turn this around. Gotta have a pack right there. Oh, if you see this right here, that's an umbrella I found in the woods. We're gonna give that a good home. I carry at least 1 liter of water. There's a half-liter bottles each. And I carry that regardless of the weather, as well as the Sawyer squeeze. When I run out of those, if I do. I have also, on real hot, long summer days, hikes, carried 2 Gatorade bottles full of either water or Gatorade, and actually gone through 3 liters easily, as well as additional water in the Sawyer squeeze. And I also keep water in the car for when I get back to it. I have some cord here, which I would use if I get stuck out in the woods for some reason with the emergency shelter. I also have some pain medication and first aid kit, and a way to make fire. 2 ways, actually. One is the big lighter, and the other is flint with a knife. Always have some food. Got Moleskin for potential blisters, knee braces. For me, bad knees. Disinfectant, something to write in and with, and a map to show landmarks. Reading glasses to read it all, and surgical gloves for doing first aid. Not necessarily on me, but if I was to have to do it, for example, on somebody else. And I also have a compass in case I need to go off trail to get out from something. Hat to keep the sun off my head, and the trekking poles. And for footwear, right now I have a pair of Saucony Excursions or Expeditions. I forget which one they are. Picked them up at DSW, believe it or not. It was a pretty good deal, and they work really good. But anyway, hope you enjoyed. This is a great shelter. It's too bad it doesn't have a picnic table. Got a nice fire pit though, and it's got a water source right down there. So go ahead and comment if you'd like, and please subscribe to my channel. And have a good day. We'll catch you all later.